Welcome to Finance Made Easy. Here are the summary of the key S&P 500 data for the week ending Friday, August 25, 2023. The S&P 500 opened this week at 4,389.19 points. The index traded in a range of 4,356.29 to 4,418.46 points this week. The 52-week trading range for the index is 3,491.58 to 4,607.07 points. Performance. Over the past 5 days, the S&P 500 is up 0.82%. Over the past month, it is down 3.85%. Over the past 3 months, it is up 4.76%. Year to date, it is up 14.75%. Over the past year, it is up 8.58%. In summary, the S&P 500 opened higher this week and saw gains over the 5-day period. However, it remains down for the past month and is still below its 52-week high. Performance has been positive year to date and over the longer 3-month and 1-year periods. Summary of the top 10 volume/price stocks for the week ending Friday, August 25, 2023. NVDA, had the highest volume at 92 million shares. Price closed at $460.18, down 2.43% for the week. Tesla had the second highest volume at 106 million shares. Price closed at $238.59, up 3.72% for the week. Apple had 51 million shares traded. Price closed at $178.61, up 1.26% for the week. AMD had 75 million shares traded. Price closed at $102.25, up 0.44% for the week. Microsoft, MSFT, had 22 million shares traded. Price closed at $322.98, up 0.94% for the week. Meta Platforms, Meta, had 24 million shares traded. Price closed at $285.50, down 0.44% for the week. Amazon had 44 million shares traded. Price closed at $133.26, up 1.08% for the week. Alphabet, Google, had 27 million shares traded. Price closed at $129.88, up 0.08% for the week. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, had 18 million shares traded. Price closed at $166.25, up 0.70% for the week. Boeing, BAR, had 12 million shares traded. Price closed at $223.41, up 2.81% for the week. Here are the summary of the 10-year US Treasury yield for this past week. The 10-year US Treasury yield measures the return on investment for the 10-year US government bond. It is considered a key indicator of investor confidence, interest rates, and the overall health of the economy. This past week, the 10-year Treasury yield closed at 4.231% on Friday. This represents a decrease of 0.004 percentage points from the previous week's close. Investors earned a 4.231% return by investing in the 10-year US Treasury this week, which is slightly lower than the prior week. The small decrease signals investors remain cautious about the economic outlook, keeping demand for safe haven assets like treasuries modestly elevated. Summary of the key crypto market data. There are over 1.8 million cryptocurrencies trading on 660 different exchanges. The total market capitalization, value of all cryptos, is $1.05 trillion. This is up 0.24% over the last 24 hours. The 24-hour trading volume across all cryptos was $27.31 billion, which is up 0.82% compared to the previous 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance remains high at 48.3% of the overall market cap, while Ethereum is second at 18.9% market share. Ethereum gas fees are currently 13 GWI, which is on the lower end of the typical range. The Fear and Greed Index is at 34 out of 100, signaling the crypto market sentiment is currently fearful rather than greedy. In summary, the crypto market has over 1.8 million cryptos trading, with Bitcoin and Ethereum dominating. The market is up slightly over 24 hours, but investor sentiment remains cautious. Summary of the key economic events on the calendar for next week. On Tuesday, consumer confidence and job openings data will provide insight into the health of consumers and the labor market. On Wednesday, GDP and trade data will give an updated look at economic growth and the trade deficit. The ad employment report will hint at Friday's jobs numbers. Thursday has important personal income, spending, and inflation data with the Peace Price Index and core peace readings. Jobless claims will be watched for signals on layoffs. The big focus on Friday will be the monthly non-farm payrolls report, which is forecast to show 165,000 jobs added in August. The unemployment rate is expected to hold steady at 3.5%. Other data like manufacturing, construction spending, and consumer sentiment will further color in the economic picture heading into September. No major reports scheduled for Monday, or the Chicago PMI on Thursday could move markets. Overall, inflation and jobs data will be most critical for gauging the health of the economy and Fed policy outlook. Some of the major companies reporting earnings next week. Monday 8/29. Zoom Video, ZM. Tuesday 8:30. Best Buy, B Hewlett Packard, HPQ CrowdStrike, CRWD Chewy. Wednesday 8:31. Five Below, 5 Anywhere Real Estate, House BVH, PVH. Thursday 9/1. Broadcom, of Go Hormel Foods, HRL DocuSign, Docu. Friday 9/2. No major reports scheduled. Other notable companies reporting next week include NetEase, ChargePoint, CHPP Ambarella, Amber Asana, Asan. The major releases will provide insight into retail, technology, real estate, apparel, semiconductors, and consumer goods sectors.